How to fix Dropbox not enough space to access folder. 1. Delete unnecessary files from Dropbox storage. 2. Clear Dropbox's deleted files folder. 3. Expand your storage by completing Dropbox's Get Started checklist. Referring Dropbox to your friends. Telling the company why you love their app, Dropbox. Hint, go to Dropbox. com/getspace. 4. Upgrade to Dropbox Plus. 5. Transfer some Dropbox files to another cloud storage service.